Hi, this is Metrics Trading Professionals, and handling this market review is Mimi FS. So, firstly, we have the Aussie dollar on our review. So, what's my speculation on Aussie dollar? Firstly, I understand the fact that we have a cipher harmonic here. Then, of course, it's on the PRZ, but I'm not trading it. I'm not going short on Aussie dollar here. I and apart from that, it's also it's already, in fact, it's trading within our point of interest. Of course, I understand the fact that we have currently market have really accumulated here. So with this whole trading activities here, I won't sell Aussie dollar here. The last H4 candle was still bullish, and we found out that in about 2 days the market was so bullish. So I still see this market. I still see it. I still speculate that it will go up further. So I'm staying off it. And looking at it from the daily time frame, this seems to be a continuation pattern of this bullish move. Seems to be a continuation pattern of this bullish move. Okay. So what I'm looking at, already we have this, and then we have a double bottom there already. So I won't go on the daily time frame. My indicators are saying long, but then I'm still trying to look at the chart pattern. Already this high is taken out. This high is taken out. So we have a break of market structure. It's been retested. We had a deep retracement. So market is above it. So for last week, we had a bullish move last week. We have a weekly chart. And then kind of course, once it takes out the high of last 2 weeks, this week now it takes out the high of last week, then of course this becomes a successful fail to return. Fail to return. So I see a possibility of I'm going to say this is 80% or 70% long position. However, I'm looking at this level. One is going to be, if I'm not mistaken, this should be a bat harmonic that should have this PRZ around here. But I'm looking at seeing up to 100 pips move next week. So we could have a little bit retracement. We have some kind of retracement at this point, probably to retest here. So that could be, so if I'll go short on Aussie dollar, it will be around this level, this price level. That's where I'll go short on Aussie dollar. Okay, I understand the fact that this seems to be a rejection. So it's still very much possible to have some kind of a little sell-off here, but as a swing trader, I would prefer to take a position, a sell here. So I'll still be on long, but okay, let's see how we could get entry. Okay, already we had a liquidity grab here, grab it here, and of course the market has removed this high. So currently, okay, what I could look at for a long position would be I won't really go long here now, so I could look at taking a long if the market comes back here. So I'll look for a rejection. I know I traded Aussie dollar, I traded this buy, I traded this move on Friday, and I've been on the buy, I think from Wednesday or so. So I'll still stay on the buy. I won't go short there. So I could find an entry around here. Look for an entry around here. If the market will do a pullback there, but if it continues going up, then on Tuesday I'll find entry. So I'm going long on Aussie dollar. Okay, let's look at Euro JPY. Okay, generally for now, I think I'm still going to be buying JPY pairs. Though the buy is really getting set to be exhausted, but okay, interesting. This is a valid daily order block. So these are point of interest. So at this point, I'll be looking for a short I'll be looking for a short on this pair on this point. Yeah, so we can have it buy up to 140 pips. So if we get a valid entry for buy, I will go and buy firstly for it. But where I'll take short on pound on euro JPY, it's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. So I'll be looking for is a valid order block here on the daily time frame. So I'll be looking for a short position around here. I'll be looking for short position around here. And we can target as much as 300, 400, 500 pips, as the case may be. Okay. So like I said, I still expect it. I still expect it to go long. I still expect it to go long a bit again, about 100 pips before we take a shot. Okay, about 100 pips before we take a shot. So if we will buy, same way I love getting my entries, we come under here to find entry. Let me see 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, so on the 15 minutes, we can break of this, we can take our entry. The break of this, we can take our entry. Break of this, we can take our entry on the 15 minutes. So that will give us a low risk to reward ratio, risk about 30 pips to target 50 to 100 pips. Okay, that's that. Euro JPY. I have some more pairs. I don't know if I'm looking at. Okay, let's see GBP JPY. I don't know if it's rather. I'm not really looking at GBP JPY. Let's look at CHF. Okay, like I said initially, I said earlier that I'm still going long I'm still buying JPY. So JPY as quote, I'll still be on long on it. Okay. JPY as quote, I'll still be on long on it. Sorry. Okay, my indicators, of course, still telling me long. Okay, so what we have here, let me put it on weekly charts. What we have here, I'm expecting this. Okay, so I'm still expecting to play along that, at least. If it breaks here aggressively, then definitely they will get here or even this high. So I don't really know how it's going to play, but of course, this is my target. This high is my target. So anytime this year, this is not just even for this week analysis. Anytime this year the market gets here, then it will be a good place to take shots. But we have over 100 stop loss. They could cover this up actually. But let's just play along with the price action. Okay, so if we go long, definitely if we buy this pair, there's no way we'll not make 50 to 100 pips on it. Okay, 50 to 100 pips on it. The momentum is strong. This is one of my best positions for the week. The momentum is strong. Okay, so at least I expect it. Well, I know each time they touch the resistance, the high here, it's gonna do a pullback. So we just have to look for an entry. We just have to look for a good entry. Okay, it might not be bad for it starts, take 10 pips SL, take 10 pips or 20 pips SL, target 50 pips. Okay, but I know the market will create a better entry for us. But I'm going to advise, even as the market opens, you can just take this position immediately, do 50 pips stop loss, and the market opens immediately and take this position. Okay, that's that on CHF JPY. I'm still going long on JPY pairs, and my target is up there. CHF JPY. So I have Euro card in my is it Euro card? Let me look at silver. 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 Okay, we have two things that we're going to pay attention to: break of market structure and retest. Then break of market structure and retest. So we have these two, 25.3, 24.9 as our important zone on silver. Okay, the last H4 closed as rejection and signaling that it's going to buy further. So we can use that. We can actually trade with that. So it's a very short SL, and then at least this is the first tipping. So we take 15 pips SL and we target as much as 43 pips. Okay. However, if silver really takes out this high, then we are set for a big long on it. But I think I'm going short on this 65%. I'll be going short on silver 65%. My bias on silver is 65% short. Yes. Yeah. So let's just see when the market opens. So sometimes when I'm not sure about a position like this, I will have to wait for Monday to play out. Okay, when Monday plays out. Okay, so 65, or let's say 60-40, short 60, and then long is 40. So it's still not very clear, still not very clear, still not very clear. Because considering all ends, although fundamentally I will go long on silver. Fundamentally I'll go long on silver. Okay, so we have, you can see on Friday was so bearish, and last week was really bearish on silver 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was a bearish market. Where was a bearish market last week? And then we had this rejection here on this high. So we just have to be careful trading silver. So it's 60% short and 40% long. 40% long. So let me see H1. Okay, I've looked at H1. So by Monday, I'll have a precise price. But if you must take silver, this 15 minutes, just the first thing I said, just take a buy immediately market opens or find entry around here. So your stop loss is about 10 pips, and then target is up here, back up. So that's our silver. Then let's look at Euro GBP, Euro pounds. Let's look at Euro pounds. Euro pounds, Euro pounds, Euro pounds, Euro pounds, Euro pounds. What do I have with Euro pounds? Oh, Euro pounds still looks, it's been on a downtrend. Euro pounds has been on a downtrend, but it's currently having been on a downtrend. Okay, so I really see them getting to this price 0.84. Okay, but very interestingly, the market is currently doing a rising channel, kind of is ranging on a rising channel. So a break. Oh, okay, I didn't see this before. Okay, we had a strong bullish move, and this retracement is not so strong. Okay, so we can definitely, I'm not selling pounds here. So I would rather sell pounds up here. So I would expect them to come back. I'd expect them to come back up to like this place. This is the best place I would prefer to sell pounds. So like on Wednesday, between Monday and Wednesday, if they could come back to this place, then it will be the best place for me to sell pounds. It will be the best place for me to sell pounds. However, if I have a significant breakout, here. So I'll trade the break and retest. Trade the break and retest. Break, retest. So as I will break of market structure, retest, then. Okay. So these are my expectations on Euro GBP. Okay, then let's look at This is really taking some time already. GBP let me be fast with it. GBP have it here. I don't have it here. AUD card, I have AUD card. So I know I can bring in GBP I don't know how good that pair is, but see, maybe I'll do that last. AUD card. So what do I have on AUD card? AUD card, New Zealand card, then do I have Euro card? I have Euro card. Okay, let me get our Euro card. Euro card, Euro card, Euro card. Okay, then New Zealand card. Sorry, I said pound CAGR, pound Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc or what? Okay, okay. Pound Swiss franc is here. Okay, I mean it's card. Okay. So looking at this pair now, looking at this pair, what do we have here? AD card, AD card, AD card, AD card. Okay, two things still. Always remember that pairs would always show you, would often show you the both signals buy and sell. So we have a possibility of an immediate sell when the market opens. You know, yes, we have a possibility of that already. Already this is a retest. You know, the market a break. We had a break of structure and it's been retested. So being retested. So the figure level is accomplished. So we can actually go long on it. But on the long term, sorry, we can go short on this pair. So, okay, let me just quickly do where we are going to take our entry. Not bad to take an entry around here because the SL will be short, 30 something pips can give us at least target, take 35 pips, first target 35 pips, and then second target 74 pips, and then as much as 154 pips as our last target. Okay, this kind of a double top. Okay, so we have it. So another shortest way of taking it is wait for a break of this. Of course, these are neckline. So if you really want to be conservative, then you have to wait for this to happen. You have to wait for this to happen. Retest, then take shots. If you really want to be conservative, but I would prefer if I can go immediately short on it and then let's say around here. On the other hand, okay, lots of ways to take entries. Anyway, I don't really want to talk too much. Now, but I observed something very interesting on this pair. I observed something very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So for me, it looks bullish. Okay, this makes me would want to go bullish, a break of the trend and then. So for me, if I have by Monday, Tuesday, I have a strong move push upward. So I'm trying to look at the both ends. Okay, if I have a strong push upward, then I'll take this trade up, down. Sorry, get it to make my grind easier. So if then I prefer to do this, then move up. Okay, so that's if I have a push, but currently with all these rejections, this is the daily time frame. Am I right? Yes. So Thursday got rejected on this zone, and Friday the same thing. So that will really make me want to go short on it. Okay, but if I have a push up, then a retest, then I'll go long. So these are the two directions. But firstly, my bias is short on AED card. I think the same thing goes with New Zealand. Same thing goes with New Zealand card. Same thing goes with New Zealand card. Same thing goes with New Zealand card. Oh, God. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. It's just same setup. So you see that we are having long already. We have a break and retest of this. A break and retest of this. So this is even more clearer for long position. You see it. It's more clearer for long position. But if this high is not taken out, I won't go long. This high is not taken out, I won't go long. And then if it breaks this low, okay, we already had a grab here. So this, for me, this is it. If it breaks here below, then so I guess this could take Wednesday to confirm. Could take Wednesday to confirm where we are going on New Zealand card. Then Euro card. Okay, yeah, that's why I think I saw a nice pattern on Euro card because I love trading price patterns. Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. You can see a break of market structure and retest. This one is clearer. This one is clearer. New Zealand is strong. Card is strong. You know, then AUD, Australia dollar, Aussie is strong. So that's why we have that chart. So trading like Euro for a while, Euro has been bearish. So taking like Euro card will be one of the best positions instead of trading those ones that will be dragging. We can take on this trade. We have an ascending triangle here. In fact, for me, when the market opens, this is a quick sell. This is one of my best positions for the week. This is one of my best positions for the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Broken already. You know, so this is one of my best positions for the week. So we can do an aggressive sell and then put our SL here, 59 pips. Okay, so this is one of my best positions for the week. So I'm looking at continue to sell. There, one of the best positions I have for the week. Okay, then the last one, pound CHF. So what do we have on pound CHF? Pound CHF. All right. Pound CHF. Pound CHF. Pound CHF. I don't know what I'm gonna go on this pair now. Okay, let's just look at the chart. Let's look at the chart. Oh, currently hit a strong support. Okay, I would want to go short, but I can have this filled up. So on pound CHF, I okay, I have an idea of where we're going to wait for the market. I love to go short here, around here. So this would mean I have a very short SL and then already. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this. So, let's see this. It is broken already. Okay, but I understand the fact that market is sitting on a demand. This pair is a bit confusing. I really have to see. CAGF. What's happening with CAGF? The Swiss franc. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna trade this pair. I won't trade this pair this week. Probably after Monday, I could actually get a direction. Or the other way, I don't really like the settings I'm seeing, but like what the first thing I said, looking for a short up here is one of my options. Then I don't like the pair. I don't like the pair. I don't like the pair. I like the pair. I won't trade it. I won't trade it. But on the long term, on the long run, when this market plays out and the breakout of this descending channel, then it will be a nice place to go long. We didn't really see it down here. It would have been a good place to push long stop loss, like so it would have been in profit. So, but I would love to see a break of this channel. So I guess I don't really want to trade within the channel here. I have reasons to go long. I have good reasons to go short, but let me leave it so we don't confuse ourselves. So, but so far we have nice positions. We have nice positions. I said Euro card is one of my best positions for short, and then New Zealand card, AED card, they all have potencies for short and long, but more of short. And then this also clear for me, you know, the directions. And then silver, we said that it's long short, but we are going to either go long immediately here, SL below here, or go short on it. Go short on it, and the target is nothing is here. But let's just look for a better entry anyway on silver. But I really see a bearish move on silver considering all this. But fundamentally, I would go long on silver. Fundamentally, so for me, I guess I'll still be on pause. The pairs kind of I'm going to take immediately when the market is open is Euro card. Euro card is one of it, you know. But silver, I'll be on pause. Euro GBP, I'll be on pause, and then I'm not doing this. So CHF, yeah, I can even go long immediately when the market opens on this pair on CHF JPY. JPY can go long immediately. Then AUD, what did we see on AUD? Okay, looking out for continuous long. I guess AUD is actually bullish, so we are looking out to see price get to this high on AUD. AUD is still bullish, so I can even go long immediately on AUD. But I'll love, like I said, on AUD, I'd love to get an entry around it if the market will come there. Then pounds, this pair has both outlook. If I look at it on this, I want to call this left shoulder, right shoulder, head. So and then I've tested this like break of market structure and retest. So I have reasons to go long on pounds. I have reasons to go long on pounds, but in a way, I'm trying to look at dollar having some kind of strength, but pounds would actually buy, So okay, let's just do this. Let's just do this on pounds. Let's do this on pounds dollar. So break and retest. So this is an ascending triangle. So if we have a break and retest, then we trade. We have a break and retest. Then we. So Tuesday, this will be settled by the end of Monday. So we'll know exactly where we'll go on pounds. Then of course, if it breaks down here, we go short pounds. Okay. Yeah, this is just it. Yeah, okay, pounds. Let's target here. Let's target around here. Target around there. Okay, then this I said I'm still going long on this. So our entry, if it breaks here, then we take. So the first 30 minutes, first 30 minutes of the market opening can give us a direction for this. All right. That's all for now. I've actually taken some time and I have to end it here. I really appreciate you for being part of this market review for this week. I hope you have a successful trading week. Remember to check us out on mtradingpro.com. Check out our services. You can become our affiliate and our partner. Then try to follow us up on our social media so you can get updates on our activities. If you've not subscribed to this channel and you got value today, do well to subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.